And this song, as part of our hashtag #theprochallenge, probably one of the most universally recognized songs of all time, Let It Be by the Beatles. Now, when I say universally known, literally, it doesn't matter how old you are. It doesn't matter what your culture is. It doesn't matter where you're from. You know Let It Be. This song is one of my favorites. And, let's go ahead and give it a shot. Yeah, I'm going to show you that walk down. Now, technically, this is a 4-chord song. I added a couple little fancy ones, but we're still going to put it in the 4-chord song category. Now, we're going to be in the key of G for this one. The Beatles' original version is in the key of C, but this one I find a little easier for the walk down. Plus, it's going to give you a couple of chords that might challenge you a little bit. All right, so let's go over the chords here. G to the D, E minor, and then the C. Now, although you can play some simpler versions of the E minor and the C, I'd like you to challenge yourself and see if you can get these ones that I'm going to show you, or that I just showed you. Now, I'm playing my Romero's creation, Spalted Mango Tiny Tenor. What are you playing? I'd love to hear what you got. Go ahead and put it in the comments below. Now, the strum pattern is going to be this. Okay, so grab your G chord. It's just going to go down, 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 up, and then down, 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 up. That's one measure, okay? Let's loop it right there. Ready, and... So it's 1, 2, and the 3, 4, and... All right, that's it for the entire song. Now, each measure is going to get 2 chords, okay? So if we do the verse here, it's going to go G to the D, there it is, E minor to the C. Okay, that's the first half. Now, the second half of the verse, and pay attention to this when I say second half, it's going to be this. All right, so you notice it skipped the E minor there, okay? So let's just do this verse, okay? The whole verse here. Ready, and... Now the second half. Wait, I never showed you those chords. Hold up. All right. Well, they're on the screen, but here, let me just show them to you. So that second half, when you do the walk down is C, then it's going to walk down to the B minor bar chord, and then the A minor chord, and then right to G, okay? So that walk down. I'm glad I got it at some point in the video. Okay, so the second half there with the walk downs are going to be this. G to D, now right to the C, and... All right, there it is. Now, if you want to skip the walk down and not do the B minor and the A minor, that's fine. You can just go C to G. Now, the chorus is the same chords, just mixed up a little bit differently. Okay, so the chorus is... Now, that's the first half of the chorus. Remember what I said earlier? Remember the second half of the verse? Because the second half of the chorus is exactly like the second half of the verse. Did I get that right? It's been a long day. All right, the second half of the chorus is this. Right, exactly the same as the verse. All right, so that's it. We're going to do verse, chorus, and then because this video, your video only has to be a minute, we're going to do a double chorus here at the end. So verse, chorus, chorus. Our first note, our stone note, if you're singing along with me, is when I find myself in times of trouble. That D note is your melody note. Okay? Here we go. I'll count you in. 1, 2, 3. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. chorus. Let it be, let it be, let it be, oh, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. Chorus again. Let it be, let it be, let it be, oh, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. All right, there you go. What a great song. Amazing, amazing. By the way, if you want to do the whole song, that verse and chorus just repeat himself with just a different lyric. So anyway, that's it. That's our Let It Be as part of our The Pro Challenge. I look forward to seeing and hearing your video. Thanks for being here, and we'll see you next time.